Hi guys, welcome to IGX Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11. First open your favorite browser and type Python download. Click on the first link. Now click on the Download Python button. It won't take much time to download. Once it is downloaded, go to the Downloads folder and double-click on the installer. Now check the two boxes that show Use Admin Privileges and Add Python.exe to Path. Now click on the Install Now button. It takes some time to install. Once it is installed, click on the Close button. Now click on the Windows icon and type CMD and press Enter. Now type Python -- version. It will show you the version of the Python installed. Now type pip --install Jupyter and press Enter. It will take some time to install Jupyter. Once it is installed, close the command prompt. Now, in the desktop, create a new folder and name it as Jupyter. Now double-click on the newly created folder to open. Now click on the top address bar and delete everything. Now type CMD there and hit Enter. The command prompt will open in the Jupyter folder. Now type Jupyter Notebook in the command prompt and hit Enter. Now the Jupyter will open up, which indicates that Jupyter Notebook has been successfully installed. If you want to create a new project, click on the New button there, and now click on Python 3. Once it opens, you can rename it. To rename it, click on Untitled and type the required name and click on Rename button. That's it, your project has been successfully renamed. You can find your newly created projects in the Jupyter folder we have created. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave a comment letting me know what you'd like to see next. Bye.